Integrate the digital solution into your training. What does that mean? Yesterday we had an amazing workshop with the 70-20-10 Institute on how learning should be based on business metrics, just roughly speaking. In this workshop, every single slide was taken a photograph of by every single participant. I'm not exaggerating in that moment. Every single slide, every smartphone went up to take a picture of that. Now, wouldn't it be better that one person takes up their phone, makes a picture, and then shares it with the others? That's when I talk about integrating the digital solution into the training. Because whenever the people, the participants, your employees, your colleagues get in touch with that, in that second, they know how to perform afterwards. They know how to put that into practice. What we see in our data is that people, or in groups, where people do that in the training itself. So where people, for example, take a picture with our app of the photo protocol. 60% of those who are in these trainings go ahead to solve their problem. Let me reiterate that. If you integrate the solution in your training, if you make people familiar with it, 60% go ahead to solve their problem. Why is that the case? Because that's for me always one question. Like, looking at the data is one thing, but explaining and understanding why that's the case is a totally different thing. There's one thing called the IKEA-effect. You probably know that whenever you bought an IKEA piece, you have to build it yourself. Michael Norton of Harvard University coined the term IKEA-effect. What does it mean? It means that whenever I build something, at least partially by myself, I place intrinsically high value on that. Whenever I build also the training solution partially by myself, when I have the opportunity to go about and do that, I place more value in it. That's why our second secret to make digital solutions in training successful is integrating the digital solution in your training.